Agapanthus, commonly known as lily of the Nile or African lily, is actually not a lily and is native to southern Africa and the countries of South Africa, Lesotho, and Mozambique. Though some have become naturalized and scattered places around the world, indigo frost is a hybrid species of Agapanthus. The main attraction of Agapanthus indigo frost is the large bicolored flowers it produces in the late spring and early summer. Each floret starts out with white on the petal and ever so gently changes to purple as it nears to the throat. Now times that by 20 or 30 and you've got an indigo frost for sure. If you manage to look past those amazing blooms, you'll find that they shoot up from a bed of green strap-like foliage. It gives indigo frost a lovely looking texture. One of these deciduous flower specialties is bouquets. The long stems make them fantastic additions to bunches or bouquets. Cut a few and keep them in a vase in your kitchen or dining room. You and your guests won't be the only ones loving the indigo frost. Butterflies and birds will come from near and far to check these beauties out. It blooms open in the spring, reblooming throughout the summer. These plants do well in full or part sun with well-draining, loamy soil. It needs moderate watering and more during hot spells. It tolerates coastal conditions well. Plants that go well with Agapanthus are sun-loving annuals, perennials, and shrubs. Some of our favorite plants to grow with Agapanthus are daylilies, dianthus, hydrangeas, butterfly bushes, and African daisies. In its native areas, Agapanthus is considered to be both a magical and medicinal plant, and the plant of fertility and pregnancy. Women use the roots to make medicine, and they make a necklace using the roots that they wear as a charm to bring healthy, strong babies. The Zulu use Agapanthus to treat heart disease, paralysis, coughs, colds, chest pains, and tightness. The long strap-like leaves also make an excellent bandage to hold a dressing in place, and winding leaves around the wrists are said to help bring a fever down.